Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download any software for free. So let's get into the video. So guys, first of all you have to go on your favorite browser and then search getinto.pc.com. So here is the homepage of Get Into PC website. From here you can download any software for free and for lifetime. So like I'm searching here After Effects. So as we all know, the After Effects is a paid software which is from Adobe, but from here you can download that After Effects for free. So click on your favorite version of After Effects and then scroll down and then here you get this download button. So by clicking the button, here will open a new window. So it is requesting, and then click here to proceed. So here as you can see, the download started. It is a 2 GB. Now you can enjoy your free software and for lifetime. Thank you guys for watching my video, and make sure to like my video, subscribe my channel and comment down below if any problem happened to you. Bye.